Ever wondered how to get an upgrade on a cruise? Imagine stepping aboard a luxury liner, the scent of the sea mingling with the anticipation of adventure. Now imagine that experience amplified. Upgraded staterooms, extra amenities, and VIP treatment. Sounds tantalizing, doesn't it? Let's delve into the secret world of cruise upgrades and how you can navigate your way into one. The first step in securing that coveted upgrade is to book Guarantee Cabin. This means the cruise line will pick the cabin for you, but they cannot downgrade the room. It can only possibly be upgraded. It's a well-known secret that certain room types, particularly those that are mid-range, often have a better chance of getting upgraded. So go ahead, as your interior room can become a balcony, and your balcony can become a suite and so on. I'm sure you get the drift. It's always good to check the status of an upgrade before you submit final payment. Sometimes the suite or balcony of your choice is available, and you can get this before making final payment. Many cruise lines understand this process, and remember, their goal is to fill the ship. So if there's an upgrade available, you should be able to get it. So when you are ready to submit that final payment, ask before paying. We upgraded on our Hawaiian cruise to Hawaii, so it can be done. You can actually bid for an upgrade as well. Most cruise lines have a bidding process, and you should learn as much as you can about your particular cruise line so you can bid for an upgrade. Bidding is an art, so you will need to give yourself an hour or so as it applies to your specific cruise line. Fourthly, don't be shy to ask. Yes, you heard it right. Sometimes all you need to do is ask. While this may not always work, you just might get lucky. Especially if you're celebrating a special occasion like an anniversary or milestone birthday. Lastly, consider using a travel agent. They often have insider knowledge and established relationships with cruise lines, which can increase your chances of securing an upgrade. To summarize, here's how to increase your chances of getting a cruise upgrade. Book wisely, be loyal, time your booking right, don't be afraid to ask, and consider working with a travel agent. Remember, an upgrade isn't guaranteed, but with these tips, you're definitely closer to sailing in style. So, ready to set sail on a luxurious journey? Happy cruising!